Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be assembling this Fiat car from World War II. So the first step that you need to do is you take your hobby clippers and clip away. So clip away the sprue pieces off of this base part of the vehicle. And then carefully take the little hitch thing and clip the sprue piece off that, and then the steering wheel as well. There you go. There you go. And that should be good for the steering wheel. There's those two pieces that don't need to be clipped. That piece is fine. Now this piece requires this piece to be clipped. So go ahead and make sure that's all good. Now here's the windshield piece. Clip like that. If you wish, you can take some sanding materials and sand down the sprue marks until that looks the way that you are after. Okay, last but not least for the clipping process is these wheels. So just clip away. Alright, so after that is all done, we essentially need to glue this piece together. So you're going to take these pieces and glue that like that. So simply take some glue and let's put some glue like right there and like right there. And we can use the surface of the table to very nicely put this piece together. The surface of the table will help with the alignment. Up next is this piece. And as you can see, that's not a good position for it. It should be this way. So just check and make sure that it's the correct side. So without delaying, just put some glue here. Here would be good. Here. And that should be good for the glue. Accidentally got that there. Alright, so just go ahead and put this piece like this and try to get it in a great position here. It can take some fiddle, but once you've found the great position that's, well, looking like that, make sure you press down, make sure that the glue is gluing in place. Now this body of the car is coming along pretty nicely. Let's go ahead and glue on these side pieces of this Fiat. So just put some glue down like that. And you can see, well, that one won't work. You need this one. And that glued down pretty well. There you go. Now glue down the other side. And put that piece in place. And there you have it. That's pretty good. Another thing that you should do is put some glue right there. And then if you have tweezers, it might be handy to use tweezers for this process. Take the tweezers, put the trailer hitch like that. There you go, there's the trailer hitch. So now let's go ahead and put this windshield down. So the windshield just goes like that. So you just need to put some, I'm gonna hold this windshield so I have a reference of where the glue should go. So some glue goes in the middle. Some glue goes on this side there. And some glue goes on this side. And I'll use the tweezers for that too. Why not? Put this windshield down. So it can take a bit of fiddle, but once you have the windshield in a good place that you're happy with, try to keep it there. Get some quick setting glue to make that windshield glue in place. Be very gentle, don't make it fall, and you can just let that dry and such. Now, let's go ahead and put some glue right there, and that will be where the steering wheels go. Steering wheel. So, there you go. Okay, so we are done with this portion of the assembly. Now we just need to glue on the wheels. And that process, let's just put some glue here and here. And now, let's take that side of the vehicle and make sure the axle is going in the center of the wheel. Essentially like that. And then the axle going in the center of the wheel. That looks pretty good. As long as the axle is going in the center of your wheel, then it should look pretty fine. Kind of big wheels for this car. So we are officially done the applying of the glue. Now we just need to set these wheels in place. Make sure that the axle is going in the center of that wheel. And the axle going in the center of this wheel. And a great test is to put the wheels on a flat surface and see if they're all touching the surface. Looks like it's working well. So this is the little World War II Fiat vehicle available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.